channel, and if you're new here, I am Christy, and I am the artist and creator of this strange world that I call Bit Strange. I create creepy, cute, spooky, and strange art that features my creatures, the Unlockables. And this is Tripper. Alright, so today is Saturday, December 14th, and I have two main goals for this video. And if I add any more stuff to it, that's a bonus. But the main things is, one, to build a cart for all my resin stuff that I have that is currently in my dining room. And you're biting, sir, you're biting. And the other is opening up a package that I got to help me with my web store. It's mainly photography stuff, so we'll open that up. And then by right now, usually we would start getting ready to for River Street, but me and the husband decided to not do it in this month because we didn't do very well last month, and that was the start of the holidays. We at least got our table money back, but other than that, we didn't do so well. And with this being right after Christmas, the weekend right after, yeah, we decided let's just go ahead and pull out on this, and we can focus more. You're biting again, sir. Sir, you're biting. Hey. And I'm just gonna give you kisses. And so with that, did I finish my line? I'm not sure if I did. See, you just distract me with your cuteness, sir. And so I think the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and build the cart so I can clean up the dining room more from all of the disaster of my art. And then we'll open up the package. Huh. You're not going to allow me to put you down, are you? So with that said, let's go do that. Yeah. You're not going to allow me to put you down, are you? Are you, buddy? Are you? But first, I want to show you guys. The tree survived, but however, the gnomes haven't. They even took the legs off of the gray one. And every morning, every couple hours, I swear I have to put the gnomes back together and upright. So, yay on the tree, though, surviving. Alright, Tripper, what are you trying to do here, sir? Sir? Okay, sir, you're going to fall. Tripper. So I figured we would put it together here in my dining room since we got a lot more room. So I need a utility knife. So like I said, I bought this for my resin printer and cure, along with like the pour resin and all that type of stuff. Alright, so you're my little helper, huh? Alright, I need you to move, sir. Tripper, just go over there for a second there, bud. Oh, buddy! Tripper. You know, sir. Sorry, buddy. I'll give you a treat after this. Obviously the blades. Right. So I guess it doesn't matter which one is the bottom. No? Alright. These you know what? We're gonna have the husband, the unknown creature, put this together. Yeah, so we'll be back. Okay, so since we have to wait for the husband, the unknown creature, to put that together, let's open up this. So this is gonna up my photography so much more, because when I used to do this, it was just basically my phone camera and a huge ring light, and that's it. So another box in a box. Okay, address isn't showing, is it? I don't know what this is. Just so that way. Okay. So we bought this as a kit, obviously on Amazon. So, a green backdrop. A black backdrop. And a white backdrop. Alright. So, what are you? Oh, these are the reflectors. No. Okay, these are. Actually, I don't know what these are. Okay, so these are the lights. Okay. And here comes the cup, and this is the cover. Here comes the cover. So it comes with 2 lights. Okay, now here are the reflectors. Okay. If you want to do a shimmery silver reflecting, this is what you use. Now, of course, here's how you oh, and then there's a white, and then the gold. Okay, I thought it came separate, to be honest. I don't think I would be using any of these. We will see. Never say never, right? Which is, how do you... Is that how it went in? I don't remember. Yeah. Pretend I put it away. Okay, so where are you? I have no clue what this is. Alright, well, either way, we got 2 of them. So, the umbrellas to go on the lights. Assuming maybe that's what that is for. Just maybe put these in, because it was like a bag. I don't know. Clamps for the backdrops. A remote control manual. Tripper, what are you doing, sir? So you got clams. Damn, those are actually hard. That's good, very strong. I don't know what these are for. Okay, so we got light bulbs. 2 light bulbs with 2 lamps. I'm assuming to control the lamps. You also got another lamp light. So again, got 2 of those. Where are you stuck on? Oh, that's not good. Clamps. So these are more light bulbs. Not sure though. Could be wrong. Yeah, wrong. Oh. And I'm assuming this is. It's a light socket, so I'm assuming for. Okay. We'll figure all this out later. Just opening it now. So we got 2 of those. And I'm assuming these are the poles for lights and the backdrop. So yeah, this is the stand for the backdrop. Okay. I don't think I will ever use a backdrop, so we will see. Because I want to make my own backdrops. Just out of, you know, like cardstock, that type of stuff. Lay it flat. That's another, yeah, this is. I don't. Well, maybe for the apparel, yeah, that'll work. So again, some more. And the last one, might as well open it. Yep. And then I'm assuming these are the backdrops. Do I really want to open it though? No, we're not. Actually, you know what? Okay, bad flavor. I think these are actually the legs. For the lights. Yeah, they are. be Vector. No, because there's yeah. Light legs. Hope you're expecting this. Okay. And that's it. So this was a whole kit that we bought with Amazon. And alright. We're going to start the photography soon, so you guys will be on the ride for that. Alright. Yeah. So it turns out we can't put the cart together because we are missing a part. So we got to return it and get a new one. So with that, sorry that this video is short and boring. But that's it of this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, everyone.